Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we'll try to understand how to insert items from the power apps trick. Okay, so we know how to add items from the different options in the power item, but in this video, we'll try to understand how to insert items in the power apps trick. Okay, we'll try to see that. So first, go to the new flow. So I'm taking just instant cloud flow. So I'm just using for apps to test tab. Okay. So create. So it will create. So based on this trick, but I don't want a new user interface. I'm just switching to classic designer. So that's now if we have to expand, there is an option add input. Okay, so basically I'm using this list. So this list contains 4 columns: employee name, ID, location, salary. Okay, for these 4 columns I want to insert data through power apps trick. Okay, so for timing I'm just adding the input. One is employee name. Another one is number, right? So EMP ID. So and the location. So EMP location and also EMP cell. Okay. EMP cell. Okay, so in this trigger, I have added 4 inputs. One is employee name, ID, location, salary. Okay, so after that, I'll try to take add item from the SharePoint. Okay, just search SharePoint. So add item. I think create item. Okay, sorry, sorry by mistake. So give the list site address, okay, and give the list name. So now you can see, so what are the columns that are available in the list? So basically how many columns? So employee name, ID, location, send. Okay, for these 4 columns, I need to supply the values from this input. Okay, so go to the employee name, just map it. Okay, and employee ID. Okay, after that location, so after that the salary. Okay, that's it. So likewise, we can insert data from the Power Apps trigger. So basically, I think before Power Apps V1 trigger is there. Now it's gone. Now it's only V2 trigger. Okay, I mean version 2. Now we'll try to see that whether it is possible to insert data or not. So for timing, there is no data available in the SharePoint list. Now try to do that. Save it first. It's saving. Test. Okay, so just click on manually test. So continue. Now it's showing so employee name, employee ID, location, and salary. Okay, so I'm just giving employee name. So okay, and employee ID something, location Chennai, and salary something. Okay, just click on one. That's it. Now, sorry, just click on that. Now the flow has run successfully. Even you can verify the same thing. See, now you can see there are 4 columns and 1 single. Okay, so name, ID, location, salary. Okay, we'll try to do one or twice so that we can understand. Okay, this is working fine. Okay, so just click on test. Again give this. Find something, location, Ubuntu. Now the flow ran successful. Even you can try to refresh. Now we can see the second clause and services. So likewise, we can insert data from the Power Apps, records. Even you can verify it also. See, second record, what is the applying the location, salary, list name, or site address. Okay. So likewise, we can do the many things. Even you can do the attachments also, but that is going forward will be okay. So, I hope you like this video. So, thank you for watching and please like, share, subscribe. So if you are looking for video course, send an email. Thank you. Bye.